CBSE syllabus. It is clear? So before that, going to study about real numbers. We are going to discuss about the previous chapters. That means what we are studying in the last chapters, different types of numbers. Because already you know that different types of numbers are now, that is natural numbers. Don't copy, just listen. Natural numbers. Then it's a whole numbers. Numbers, then integers, then rational and irrational numbers. I think these are the numbers what we are studying, what we are studying in the last year. So we will give one by one a simple definition about the natural numbers. Do you know that what is natural number? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So this can be denoted by the letters n. Capital letters n is another denote marti. So n denoted the natural numbers. Then what is whole number? Tell me what is whole number? Whole numbers are is good. What is whole number? 0. 0 is added now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are the whole numbers. So what is whole number? Natural numbers along with 0, what we call it as whole numbers. Clear? Now other than zeros, the rest of all the numbers are natural numbers. Clear? Now including 0, that is a whole number. So this is denoted by capital letter W. The next one. What is integer? The set of numbers including positive and negative numbers with 0. So including negative numbers and positive numbers with 0. That is etc. That is -3, -2, -1, 0. That is +1, +2, +3, etc. This can also be written in the form like this one. Simply we should write like this: 0, that is plus or minus 1, plus or minus, together we should write +1 minus 1, that is +2 minus 2, +2 minus 3, or +3 minus 4, etc. You know that which letters used to denote this one? Natural numbers are first letter of natural numbers N, whole numbers are first letters of whole numbers W. But what about the integers? The integers can be denoted by the letter Z. Good. Letter Z. So we are going to use the letter Z to denote the integers. Clear? So next one, you know the rational number? A number can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So what is that? A fraction. That is, a number can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers S and Q is not equal to 0. Now 2 by 3 is a fraction. It's in the form of rational number. Is it 7 is a rational number? Yes or no? Yes. 7 is also a rational number. This can also be expressed in terms of P by Q. That is one numerator and denominator. We put 7 divided by 1 is nothing but 7. So 7 also can be written in the form of P by Q. So we know that a number can be expressed in the form of P by Q. P by Q. So such that where P and Q are, what is that? Integers. Integers. So importantly, then Q is not equal to 0. And Q is not equal to, why Q is not equal to 0? So what happens? Q is equal to 0 if any number divided by 0, what happens this one? This is infinity. Very clear? This is infinity. This infinity type of number is not there in the set of rational numbers. That is, this can also be, this is the symbol of infinity, which can also be used. Clear? So Q is not equal to 0. Such type of numbers, what we call it as rational numbers. This rational number is denoted by a letter Q. Capital letter Q in the denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We are going to use the capital letter Q. The rational number can be denoted. Is it clear? Now we are going to write example of it. That is, what are the numbers? Now this numbers, rational numbers, including natural numbers, including whole numbers, that is 2, and including integer also, that is negative numbers, -2 or -10, and also as well as fractions, that is 2/7, -1/3, etc. This can be written in general, that is Q is equal to, that is also natural numbers, that is whole numbers, integers, along with fraction. This can be written as P/Q numbers. P/Q numbers in general. So what are the numbers included? The rational number is, there is natural number, whole number, integers, and along with the fractions. Clear? So this can be written in general. So a rational number is P/Q such that P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0.
Full LC, line full LC.
Next one, we are going to discuss about irrational numbers. What is irrational number? A number cannot be expressed in the form of P/Q. Good. A number cannot be expressed in the form of P/Q, where P and Q are integers. Same thing, whatever it is used, it cannot be written in the form of P/Q. Same, P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, and it is denoted by IR in the denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. IR in the. A number cannot be, it can be expressed in the form of P/Q, rational numbers. It cannot be expressed in the form of P/Q is irrational numbers. Now, and also irrational numbers can also be defined in another terms. In another term also. Do you know that? How the irrational numbers can be defined in different definitions? Anybody knows? Non-terminating, yes, non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. They are also called as irrational numbers. Right. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimals is also called as irrational numbers. What are the non-terminating and non-recurring decimals? So this can be written as, that is P. It cannot be divisible in the form of P/Q. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. This can also be written, but it is not there in your textbooks. It's another textbooks will be there. So no need to worry. So this is you know that the important definition about the irrational numbers. Is it clear? So now we go for all these numbers are there. Natural numbers are there, whole numbers is there, integer is there, rational number is there, and also the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. These irrational numbers. So we are going to give expression about the irrational numbers. A number cannot be expressed in the form of P/Q, where P and Q are integers. So the number cannot be expressed. What type of numbers will be having irrational numbers? So for example, in the last year, so do you know that what type of this number? You say √2 or √3, √4, √5. Can you find out the fraction? Can you express this √2 in the form of a fraction? No, it's not possible. So these type of numbers you are also called as irrational numbers or non-perfect square numbers. √2, √3, √5, √7, etc. They are also called as irrational numbers. Is it clear? So such type of numbers, not only for a number cannot be expressed in the form of P/Q, and also √2, √3, that is √3, then √5, etc. They are also called as irrational numbers. Clear? Now all these type of numbers will be there on the board. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers. So now for example, we are going to discuss about these numbers. That is, here it is Q is not equal to 0. Here it is 0 is not there. Here 0 is there. That is no negative number. Here the negative number, positive number along with 0. Here it is now negative number, positive number, natural numbers along with 0, including fractions will be there. But here in this case, these are all the, now Q will contain all type of these numbers. But irrational numbers, it is a separate one. So we are going to conclude these two numbers. Rational numbers will contain now all these numbers. Rational numbers will contain natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions, fraction form. Here q is not equal to 0. And irrational numbers. The irrational numbers, it is non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. They are also called as irrational numbers. Together, these two together, what we call it as real numbers. We call it as real numbers. Now, do you know that this type of number is not there in the set of real numbers, but this number can be written in the form of square root of, that is 7 now into minus 1. Did you clear? Though this can be separated, square root of 7 to square root of minus 1. But square root of 7 is a rational number, it is an irrational number, it is considered in the real numbers. But square root of minus 1 is not there in the set of irrational numbers. So these type of numbers we will be studying in the another next type of numbers in the next year, that is first PUC, that is now complex numbers. Very clear? In the complex numbers we will be having this type of numbers. Till now, this year we are going to study only the square root of positive numbers. Remember children, that we are going to study only the square root of positive numbers which contains negative. Fraction also, the square root of, that is 2 by 3, square root of any other numbers, square root of fraction, that is proper fraction or improper or mixed fraction, whatever it is, but no negative numbers will be there inside the square root. Such type of numbers is not there in the set of, that is real numbers. Did you clear? So ಒಂದೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. So real numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ this type of number is not there in the set of real numbers. So now we are going to discuss about, so what is the actual, what is the uses of real numbers in this year? First one, natural number. Take down all of them. Counting numbers from, take down all of them. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are also called natural. It is denoted by a letter N. So do you know how to write the set of natural numbers? This is the way to write the set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Don't put much more dots, only 3 dots, that is enough to write the etc. Second one. Copy down fast. Set which contain actual number and Z. Is called colon. It is denoted by W. Now the set of whole number can be written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That's all. Integers. Third one. until simple upgrade, both positive numbers. What are the positive numbers? We should write down here. +1, +2, +3, etc. And negative numbers. That is -1, -2, -3, etc. Along with 0. Is called integers. It is denoted by Z, letter Z. So how to write a set of integers? The set of integer can be written as, very simply you should write very easily. 0 will be there in the center, that should be written in the first one. +1, -1 written, simply write it as +2, -2, +r, -3, +r, -4, etc. You understand? That is rational number. Rational numbers. So, a number can be expressed in the form of, yes, in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, yes, integers, and Q is not equal to 0 and Q is not equal to 0. Such number is called rational number. It is denoted by, which letter is used to denote? Which letter? It is denoted by Q. Yes. Denoted by Q. General form of rational number. That is, a number can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Right, along with this says definition. A number expressed in the form of P by Q such that P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 and Q is not equal to 0. This is the irrational number. Irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0 and Q is not equal to 0, such a number is called irrational number. Irrational numbers. Q dash means, that is, this is the rational number. We put dash here. Q dash is rational number without 0, what we also called as Q, that is rational number. Rational numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ Q dash ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಇರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರೀ rational numbers ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರೋದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Q dash ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is the confusion what we are getting in this year. So we cannot use any symbol used to denote the irrational numbers. Simply we should write irrational numbers IR, first letter I, small letter R in the, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Here we also be having one more definition for this. So irrational number also can be denoted by, so another definition, that means now non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion number. Decimal expansion number is also called irrational number. Irrational yes. Essay which contain both rational and irrational. Rational and irrational numbers is called real numbers. Real numbers. It is denoted by can you guess which letter is to denote real numbers? Capital letter R. Capital letter R is the denoted by. There is a Roman letter we use to denote real numbers. Capital letter R. You simply we should write like this also. This also. Now this is the definition for real numbers. Here. So and also we having one more simple definition for real numbers also. Now that is union of. Union of, that is rational number and irrational numbers is also called as real numbers. Union of, a simple definitions like this. Union of rational numbers that can be written here. R equals, that is union of rational number and irrational. Irrational numbers together what we call it as real numbers. By using the symbol also, in the symbol use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು sometimes we are going to denote this one. That is Q union IR, irrational numbers. Confusion ಅಂದರೆ you should write down as it is.